morning, Monday the 6th of January 2025. It's the first video of the year. I've come out today to do a recce. I'll probably do a recce of the same area tomorrow morning. Excuse her, that's the missus. And I'll probably do an overnighter then on the Wednesday night. So that'll be the 8th. So I'm out for a recce today. It is raining slightly, so I won't put the drone up, but I'll get some good footage for you now of the surrounding area as well. So as I say, I'll do a few hours now today on a recce. I'll probably come back up in the morning, continue the recce, and then back out on the Wednesday for an overnighter. Enjoy the video, guys. Go and get yourself a drink, put your feet up and relax. Alright guys, so I found the area, and it's obviously being used by the British military. We won't say no more about that, but that's bad SOPs. Must be cadets or something. But yeah, I'm in the area now. I'm just going to scope it out now. I have brought the hammock with me, and I've also brought the poncho, because I've never been here before, so I didn't know if it was on a gradient or not, but it's suitable for a poncho, no problem. Out. So this is probably the best spot I found, guys. It's nice and flat. It's very boggy here. There's obviously a lot of water coming off Penavan because I'm right below it. But snowing heavy now here in Wales, South Wales that is. So I've had a good walk around. Here's the best spot for a poncho or a bivvy bag in warmer weather, in there, plenty of cover. But there's also options for a hammock. It's very boggy in there, guys. Very boggy. It's right next to the road as well, as you can see. But all the water's coming off that mountain there, look. Morning guys, 7th of January 2025. It's day 2 of the recce. We've had a bit of snow through the night. Let's get going. Putting the red in the shed. That's the direction we go in. Okay, so I'm in the forestry where I want to be. We recce'd the opposite forestry yesterday, and today we're in 398. You might be wondering what 398 is when you've seen the title. Well, that's part of the, hold on guys, Okay. Is part of the grid reference. So 398 Recce is this area. Let's see what we can find. Some cordage. So someone has been here. There's a lovely spot in there for a bivvy bag or even a small tent. I'm just going to go through that direction there. I'll get rid of this. I'll take it with me. So I've just had to make my way through all that there. So that's a really good thing, that is, because anyone approaching would be breaking a lot of branches. It's an amazing spot there. That would definitely be a bivvy bag. It's really concealed, as you can see. So if I get a chance to come up here, that's where I'll be going. Right in there. Right, let's get some scoff on the go. So, something worth pointing out, guys. The first thing I did when I found this location was I went on WhatsApp and I sent my location to my partner. That's for two reasons. One reason is so she knows where I'll be when I tell her I'm coming to this location in case of an emergency, and the second reason is for me to study the exact spot on Google Earth. It's a brilliant tool, guys. It gives you in 3D, you know, so you can move around the area. It's fantastic. As you've seen, I brought a map with me. You might have seen that yesterday, so I use that extensively. I've also got a set of binoculars, notebook and pen. I made a few notes in there, you know, what's suitable here, what's not, and what tools to bring, etc. So notebook and pen, set of binoculars, map and compass. You can use it on your phone if you've got signal. You can use the compass, but I always carry one on me anyway. This is my scoff and brew kit. I'm gonna get some breakfast on the go now. There's my shelter kit. I've got a poncho, bungees, cordage and stakes in there. That's my chest rig, and the pack I brings out if I'm doing a recce is my Garrison pack. I'll put links in the description for both of them, guys. So we got pork, sausage and beans in tomato sauce, and I'm cooking on a BCB stove with hold on, let me show you, simple fire dragon gel, nothing Gucci. So for you newbies using ration packs, just put them in your canteen, put the ration pack in first, then put the water in, not the other way around. So for our beverage, I don't know if you can see that, Rocky Road hot chocolate. And what I'll do now, only for you newbies, I'll use the water I'm using for the ration pack to make my brew. So just giving you a look there, some things I've noted. So I've got shelter, all options. That would mean hammock, bivvy bag or a tent. Concealment is very good, as I'm in the middle of a dense forest and it's going down to Wi-Fi for a minute. It's very tricky to get to this actual location, and of course it's got Wi-Fi signal. Great for emergencies, guys. As you know, I've already sent the location to my partner, so she knows where I am today, and it does have Wi-Fi signal, which also means it's got phone signal, so if I was in an emergency it's just a 999 call. And I'm talking about Great Britain now, guys, sorry. Wales, South Wales that is. If you need to move for any reason, might just be you want to piss, use your canteen look to hold your ration pack up straight without it tipping over. I got a bit of warm water left in the bottom, so if I was going for a number 2 and it'd be, you know, I don't know, 3 hours, you know, it's going to keep it slightly warm. Take your gash home with you, guys. Take your gash home with you. Just before we head out, I'm just going to show you what I got in my scoff and brew kit bag. So there's the bag there. Canteen set. BCB stove and fire dragon gels. Lid and spoon. Brew kit, and in the brew kit is also a lighter, but I got a lot of things that are connected to my smock, and something that comes with me absolutely everywhere is an IFAC individual first aid kit. So here's a location, as I say, plenty of cover. I just come from deep in our way. Right guys, that's me done. Just want to say thank you to these guys, the Patreons, link be in the description. You can join membership if you want to. All the super thanks. Right, so that's my recce done over 2 days. Cracking location, loads of cover. So I'm on night tonight, as I said. Hopefully get out tomorrow night. Something I forgot to say as well, this morning before I left the house, I took my cat's meds. Don't ask me how. Out.